out the box. This one got jealous, he came out the box. Then Minnie and Mickey wanted to come out. And then Father Christmas wanted to come out, and Pingy Penguin's still here. It's absolute madness, but I love it. It's raining, so I haven't finished my lights. December the 7th, so we're gonna do a party food recipe for you that you'll adore. If you can hear me, it's called King Prawn Rollover. Let's do it.
Right, it's called King Prawn Rollover. It's gorgeous. I've tried it many times, but I've never ever told anybody else how to do it. So here we go. You need 400 grams of raw king prawns, defrosted if these were frozen. So they've been nicely defrosted. You need 1 spring onion chopped. You need half a red chilli de-seeded, 2 cloves of garlic, about 1.5 inches of fresh root ginger grated, an egg beaten, and 50 grams of fresh breadcrumbs. And that, apart from some seasoning, is it. It then gets loaded into 320 grams of puff pastry, and you will adore this, and it's made so quickly and so easily. Let's do it. So to get started, we tip all the prawns into a food processor. We then grab all the other bits and bobs. They go in, no particular order, we just get them all in apart from that bit that flew away then. And there is the ginger, we're happy with that, very much so. Now then, straight in with the egg. In you go, egg. Wonderful in. And finally the 50 grams of fresh breadcrumbs. I've let them just dry out for about an hour, and that is pretty damned easy. Okay, and this is where the magic begins. We just blitz it all together. Probably takes about 30 seconds. What we're looking for is a fairly solid paste. And there we are, 30 seconds. That's it, done. So now we get the pastry. Okay, so that is what we're going to use, the gorgeous king prawn filling. It just needs seasoning. I've took it out of the mixing bowl because it's just trying to be a bit more orderly. But yeah, that will work a treat. Plenty of salt and pepper. And quick stir in. You can see the consistency should hopefully make it fairly easy to drop onto this puff pastry. So looking at the puff pastry, it's literally 1 sheet. I have literally popped it in the freezer for a minute, having cut it. So there we go, these are the 2 pieces. And basically what you need to do is about there, use your fingers, load it on, try to keep it about 1 inch away from one edge. And that's going to work a treat. That's going to be lovely, maybe a little bit more there. And it's got a flavour that's very similar to, you know, the Chinese prawn toasties? Yeah, that's very similar to the taste you'll get from this. And everybody, oops, is going to say, wow, this is beautiful. What a great buffet idea. So excuse the mess. But you need to have a mess to be able to enjoy it all. That's what I'm telling myself. Right, we don't waste any, as Karen always says. Okay, I'm looking good, feeling good. I think we're fairly decently spread there. Okay. So we're all seasoned, we're ready. And all I want to do is just run a small bit of egg wash along that top leading edge. And yeah, both of those in the same way, and then you'll see the rollover in action, hopefully. So what we do is we grab it and we turn and we turn and we push it in. You'll see me pushing now. right, we want them as full as we can, and then I've got to crimp those edges, okay? And you end up with two long lengths like that. The seal is underneath. It's going to ooze a little bit, but that's part of the joy of it. You'll just see the prawns bursting out all over and the crispy pastry. So now it's got to chill. Let's do that. They've been in the fridge for about 20 minutes, so they're ready for the oven. So we're going to give them a blooming good egg wash, top and sides. And then I'm just going to pop a couple of little knife pricks in along the length. And then these go in for, well, 25 minutes. So they say. Now then, sesame seed. We use the white ones first. Fairly generous amount, because they had a lot of crispness. And that's what we want at Christmas. Tell you what, getting old, even blooming Father Christmas looks young to me. Oh, and Auntie Karen. Yeah, I said, what do you want for Christmas? And she said, nothing would please me more than a diamond necklace. So I picked up on that straight away and thought, right, you'll do for me. Nothing is what you're getting. In we go. These are going to be beautiful. I'll even put the light on. Real. Oh, and there we are. Actually, 30 minutes later. I wanted to get lovely and brown on the top. They look magnificent, and they will slice into quite small bite-sized pieces for people, but we need to cool this immediately. And they freeze great as long as you freeze them within a couple of hours, and you can leave them in there for a month or two max. Lovely. Oh, I can't wait to try them. They have been chilled, and we chilled them for about 2 hours. And now I'm going to use the electric knife. Oh, turn it on would help. You can cut them as big or small as you see fit. And once they're sliced, they can be frozen, reheated in 8 minutes, and they'll keep for 2 months. But the flavour, it's just like eating a prawn toasty sausage roll. Enjoy them just like I'm going to do. Thank you for watching me.